Hi there, I'm Neil Davidson. I would like to present the Light Walls lighting solution to you here. The system is really simple in terms of components. What we have first of all is the lighting processor. This little processor is actually capable of running 100,000 RGBW LEDs at one time, so really powerful. The final stage of the whole process is our LED products. So what you actually see here, that's our constant current driver, which is moved right onto the PCB. That means that we can have multiple independent lights all on one little fixture. In this case, we've got actually 5 independent lights. The LEDs that we use are of the highest possible quality, and these are a 98 CRI, an R9 better than 95, and these ones are all RGBW. We've happened to have chosen a 4000 Kelvin white point for these, but we've got other options available. Now, for the lighting processor to communicate with the actual lighting fixtures, we need to have some hardware interfaces. So we have 2 models. This is the Duo. Duo is actually capable of running as a standalone piece with pre-recorded content on an SD card, or it can be put onto network where it can communicate directly with our fixtures and the processor as part of a larger system. This unit will communicate with up to 900 individual LEDs. If you're doing a larger system, you move up to the long range controller. The long range controller has 8 output ports, input over this PoE network port. Now this unit will actually communicate with up to 7,200 RGBW LEDs at one time, so a massive capacity. Now, what's cool about the system is that you can completely deconstruct it. Because this is sitting on network, it doesn't need to be located anywhere near the lighting processor. What you do is you put these little receivers up next to the fixture. So you can imagine for something like a landscape project, this can be located outside, then these can be up to 3,000 feet away from this processor. So we can do very large projects and deconstruct them in a way that's not really possible with other solutions. Now, in terms of programming all of that, we use this system here, which is called Create. We've got that pre-prepared on the screen just now, and you can see that that's actually mapped out to a physical system. Now, what's pretty cool in Create is that we're actually doing a pixel mapping. If you can just see that, coloured light is scrolling across. Now, for anyone who's familiar with DMX lighting, they'll know that doing really cool content can be extremely difficult. But what we do is we have a content library, and it lets us pick things like this, which drags straight onto the content and immediately starts working. If you can see that there. And we can actually change that. So this would be a typical dynamic effect. Of course, we don't just need to do that, we can do calming, soothing effects, like this water effect here. So just a quick example of what you can do with the light wall system. Obviously we can do lots of traditional lighting, but then we can add all of these cool dynamic features on top of that as well. Thanks a lot.